Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another non-phone work from home job lead for you. This one is from the company Postscript. They are trying to redefine marketing for e-commerce companies by introducing SMS or text for an entirely new channel of e-commerce stores. Now, if you're interested in applying, the link to this page is in the YouTube description box below this video. But Postscript is hiring a customer experience advocate. Now, this is going to be non-phone customer service through email and chat. They're hiring remote work from home anywhere in North America. So that is going to include Canada, the United States, Mexico. But real quickly, before we dive into it, I do just want to say sometimes their website is a little bit finicky. If you are interested in applying and you click the link in the YouTube description box to go to this page, you may just see a page come up where you cannot see this description, and it just has a little button that says careers at Postscript. Refresh the page. I'm finding when I exit the page and go back into it, sometimes it doesn't load all the way the first time, and I have to hit refresh to reload the page. Just FYI. But Postscript is looking for somebody to respond to the customer, prospect, and partners quickly and effectively via email and chat. You'll consistently embody the Postscript brand in all of your customer interactions. You'll be solution-oriented and focused, trying to create those wow moments for the customers. And of course, you'll follow up with customers to make sure that their technical issues have been resolved. You'll proactively inform customers about new features of the Postscripts and functionality of Postscripts. And of course, you'll also gather feedback from the customers and share with product sales and marketing teams. Now, they do not require any kind of college degree, but they are looking for somebody who has 2 years experience in some kind of customer support role. Now, even though they're hiring within North America, they do want you to be able to work the West Coast hours until 6 p.m. Pacific time. So if you're outside of that time zone, you're going to have to convert your hours to that time zone to make sure the hours will work for you. They're looking for someone who can demonstrate understanding of technical products and technical support process. If you have experience with software and remote support tools like Zendesk, that is a plus, but not required. Excellent communication skills as well as problem-solving skills are required. Now, they are paying very, very well. The salary for this position is anywhere from $53,000 a year all the way up to $67,000 a year, and that is your base pay, and it says you do get equity regardless of location within North America on top of that base pay. And of course, they offer a standard benefit package that includes health, dental, vision, and paid time off. All right, as always, if this job lead was not for you, that is absolutely okay. Please leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really, really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.